Are you washing dishes for Mom? Are you working so hard? Yeah, I got my dishwasher over here. Just, getting everything cleaned up for me so that I can be free to make him some cookies. So I am going to be making some egg-free banana chocolate chip chia oatmeal cookies. The chia seed acts as an egg substitute, and I'm doing egg-free because my little Levi can't have eggs. They make him violently ill, so every once in a while it's nice to make him a baked treat. He really appreciates it. I've made this recipe several times, but I've used different flours each time, and butter versus coconut oil, and so this recipe is really adjustable. But today I'm going to be using cassava flour for my flour. I've made these with regular flour. I've also made them with like a gluten-free flour blend, and they always work well, but we're going to do cassava flour today. I've made other recipes with butter, but this time I'm using some coconut oil. I got this coconut oil for really cheap at a grocery outlet, so I'm using it up instead of butter. The other ingredients that I'm going to be using: salt, cinnamon, baking soda, chia seeds, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and then 4 really ripe bananas, 2 cups of rolled oats also. Then usually I do vanilla, but I'm out of vanilla, got used up just the other day, and I had this banana extract, so I thought I'd throw that in there instead of the vanilla and see how it turned out. I almost forgot to mention the most important ingredient: chocolate chips. Here are all of the ingredients I just jotted down real quick, but I will go ahead and get this recipe typed up, so if you want to print it, you can go to the link down in the description. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready to do a taste test?
Yeah.
Yeah? These are special for Levi because they don't have any eggs. You ready to taste it and give your thumbs up? Or thumbs down, I suppose. That could happen. You want to take one?
That's just...
Here, wait. Now, can you do this?
Can you get your cookie?
Crummy.
For you.
It's very crummy.
Uh-huh.
All right, that's the first judgment. It's they're crummy. They are very soft, right? Because they have the bananas in them. They're kind of like banana bread cookies.
Got a banana bread pie. That's right.
Banana bread pie? No, they're like banana bread cookies with chocolate. What do you think, Levi? Num. Okay, that's really high praise coming from Levi.
Do you like
It's a
it?
num.
How many thumbs up do you give?
He says he likes it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, that was Renee's.
Giving it to Renee.
How many thumbs up do you give it, Levi?
I don't think he understands that question yet. All right, how about you guys do all your thumbs up and then we'll ask Levi. Talia, how many thumbs up?
I think
You gotta lick your thumbs before you can put them up.
chocolate just got on my fingers and it's really good.
Okay, how many thumbs up?
I think it's 1.5 thumbs up. The only reason it doesn't get 2 thumbs up is because it's super crummy. And
Super
messy.
crummy. Yeah, when you don't have eggs, it's kind of hard to keep things together sometimes.
And
But
you
it still
add
tastes
bananas.
good. The flavor is good. Renee, how many thumbs up do you give it?
100, 200.
100 plus 200?
Yes.
So 300?
Yes.
300 thumbs up?
Yes.
And so does that mean you really, really liked it?
Yes.
Okay, what was your favorite part about it?
It was the chocolate.
Yeah, how did I know? Okay, Charity?
Levi's made a mess of it.
I give it
Okay.
8.
8 thumbs up? Out of how many?
10.
So 8 out of 10? That's pretty good. So that means you liked it really well? Okay. Levi? How many thumbs up do you give it? He gives it num num.
It's very sweet, so I
Say
need water.
5.
Do you want to do 5 thumbs up? Yeah? Can you go like this? Levi, can you go like this? That was a good try.
Good.
That was a good try.
It's good enough.